بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your English class. Let's start our studies. Okay, dear students, all of you open page 12. This is page 12 in your English book. Hurry up, all of you open this page. Okay, students, on page 12, you are having the topic spellings. Okay, and this is exercise 2 on page 12. The question is encircle the correct spellings. I'm repeating once again, encircle the correct spellings. Read with me again. Encircle the correct spellings. What you have to do, students, you will circle the correct spelling. Okay, there are 3 different spellings and only one spelling is correct. Other 2 spellings are not correct, they are wrong. Okay, and you have to circle the correct spelling. So grab your pencils and start doing your work with me. This is hook, hook or hook. You have to guess the correct spelling. This one is correct? No, this is wrong. This one is correct? No, this is wrong. This one is correct? Yes, this one is correct. Hook, H-O-O-K, hook. H-O-O-K, hook. You have to circle this correct spelling. Okay, students, let's circle with me, all of you. Okay, students, you can see your teacher has encircled the correct spelling of hook. Now let's move towards the next one. Next one is brain. Okay, we have to check which one spelling is correct. This spelling is correct? No, this is not the correct spelling for brain. This one is correct? No, this is also not correct spelling of brain. This one is correct? Yes, this is the correct spelling of brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. Repeat with me. B-R-A-I-N, brain. You have to encircle this correct spelling. Are you doing with me, students? Very good. Let's circle this correct spelling. Okay, students, you can see your teacher has encircled the correct spelling of hook and the correct spelling of brain. Now, moving towards the next one, we have to check which one is the correct spelling for chair. Chair. This one is the correct spelling? No, this one is not correct. This is wrong. This one is the correct spelling? No, this one is wrong. This is the correct spelling? Yes, this is the correct spelling of chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Let's circle this one. Okay, students, now you can see your teacher has circled the correct spelling of chair. Okay, now moving towards the next part, we have to check the correct spelling of beggar. So, this one is the correct? No, this is the wrong spelling. This one is the correct? No, this is also the wrong spelling of beggar. This one is the correct spelling? Yes, this is the correct spelling of beggar. Let's circle this one. Very good, students. We have circled the correct spelling of beggar. Now we have to check the correct spelling of school. Okay, students, let's check which one is the correct spelling of school. Is this the correct spelling? No, this is not the correct spelling. Is this the correct spelling? Yes, this is the correct spelling. But this one is also wrong spelling of school. So we will circle this spelling. This is the correct one. Okay, SCHOOL, school. Let's circle this one. Very good, students. We have circled the correct spelling of school, and now we have to find the correct spelling for canteen. Is this the correct spelling? No, this is not. Is this the correct spelling for canteen? No, this is also wrong. Is this the correct spelling for canteen? Yes. CANTEEN, canteen. And this is the correct spelling, so we will encircle this correct spelling. Very good, students. We have just completed this exercise and we have encircled the correct spellings. Now let's recall all the correct spellings. HOOK, hook. BRAIN, brain. CHAIR, chair. BEGGAR, beggar. SCHOOL, school. CANTEEN, canteen. Okay, students, are you doing with me? Very good. Now, this is your homework time. Okay, students, this is your homework. What you have to do, you will complete exercise 2 on page 12. Okay, students, you have to complete exercise 2, the correct spelling on page 12, and please share the picture of your homework in your WhatsApp group. Your teacher will check your homework in the group. Okay, students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe, take care dear students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما